Hello, everyone, and to our respective lecturer, our HCI lecturer, Human Computer Interaction subject lecturer, Puan Putri Roshda binti Megat Ibnu Rashad. Today, we are going to present case study one. So, before we are going to talk about our case study one, let me introduce myself. My name is KHUHAN, and I like son of S.MAGENDRAN, and my metric number is 01DDT20F1018.
My name is TARVEN, son of MURUGA. My matrix number is 01DDT20F101.
And my name is Sunddra, son of SINNASAMY, and my matrical number is 01DDT20F1095.
All right, so next slide. All right, so just a small introduction about our device and so on, about our topic today. So this is our device name is actually, our device name is R-Talit spec. So of course, let us move on to the next slide. I'll be explaining more further about our specs. So this is our introduction, more better, clear explanation about our introduction, our device name. Have you heard about augmented reality? Have you seen a smartphone's features in a spectacles? Introducing all new R-Talit spec coming all the way from Germany, what it can do and how it can benefit us. Basically, you can answer your phone and read your messages just through that spec lens itself. Moreover, you can also read the current weather and upcoming weather for next 1 week. Finally, users can use these smart glasses for a day because these smart glasses have long-lasting battery performances. So yeah, so next slide. All right, so this is the small interfaces for our smart glasses. As you can see on the left lenses, what you can see is actually, you can see a Wi-Fi. You can see, is it the Wi-Fi has been connected or not, the Wi-Fi bar, and then we have a Bluetooth interfaces, also Bluetooth features also, and then we can see, as I mentioned, we can see a weather and the forecast, right? So you can see that there is the symbol there on the left hand lenses, and then bottom there you can see the batteries percentages on how many percentage is going on the live performance. And then on the right lenses, right lens, you can see the calendar and the day and the time and so on. And then furthermore, you can see, like, you can see the menu. Later Sunddra will be explaining what is on that menu there, what is included in that menu when we click that. And then we have alarm features also. And then lastly, you can see the time in a digital format. And lastly, you can see on the bottom there, you can see the whole screen with a big screen where you can see there is a Facebook interface. So that is how when you are when you go into the Facebook application, you can see there is how you can see the Facebook interfaces, how it will be running when you are using that spectacles. All right, so yeah, so that's all from my part. Let me next pass to Sunddra. Thank you.
That's a crystal clear explanation from KHUHAN. Well done, KHUHAN. Now I will explain some function of this device. The first function is forecast or weather function. It will show the current and future forecasts for the users. This will make the users to make plan accordingly to the weather. If the weather getting worse, users can change their plan according to the weather. Next, we have alarm features. These can help users set their alarm in this device and get alert. Moreover, user can view whole clock too. And finally, there are menu button in this device. Users able to access to phone apps in menu icon virtually. Example of apps such as Facebook, WhatsApp, messages, and also calls. Next slide. Next, let's see universal design principle for these R-Talit specs. So what it is? Basically, it is a process of designing products so that they can be used as many people as possible in many situations as possible. The first principle is equitable use. Our architect spec is a user-free device since it can be used by everyone, including blind people. Yes, this is because our device have headphone features that makes our device to communicate or listen songs with the users, to the blind users. Moreover, our device will detect surrounding obstacles and communicate through the headphone with the blind person. Furthermore, there is a voice assistant that will help translate to the users when the people surrounding is communicating in unknown language. That's it from my part. Next, I pass to Mr. TARVEN to explain more.
Thank you, Sunddra. So our second principle is a flexibility in use. So the design accommodates a wide range of individual preference and abilities. The user can use this device anytime, anywhere, just wearing its smart glass. Example, they can wear at a shopping complex when driving at home and etc. User will benefit from the built-in function available in the Artelis spec, such as the navigation system, Bluetooth calling, internet browsing, and using social media listening to songs and many more. So our third principle is a low physical effort. So this design can use efficiently and comfortably with minimum fatigue. So minimizing information include on a device display only the information that user currently needs. So this device allows the user to keep their body in a neutral position. This device assists the user in reducing repeated movement and reducing persistent physical effort. Conclusion for our case study is we hope everyone can get a benefit from this device and makes their life fully automated. Moreover, this device is a user-free device since it can use by everyone, including blind people. So we can reach this device global market easily. Furthermore, our device can be purchased by all since it is reasonable. By inventing this device, we managed to solve many problems around us and at the same time we managed to save time. So we will also try to improve each time the weakness of this device for a better future and usability by everyone. So these are the references we use to complete our case study. And that's all from us. Thank you.
Thank you everyone.